Test tayo guys. KJW KP19. So naka metal slide, metal yung lower frame with under rail for accessory attachment, and then naka fiber optic sights, front and rear sight. So may kasama na siyang plates dun sa box if ever na gusto niyo mag optics. So tatanggalin niyo lang to, and then may compensator na rin siya. So guys, available din ng KP19S natin, yung walang compensator. So mag capacity is 26 rounds. Compatible siya sa WE magazine. Okay, test natin. Safety, ito ambi. And adjustable yung trigger niya. Chrono check. 354. For details, PM lang kayo sa page natin, Mavs Hobby Shop.